In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable 120Hz refresh rate on your Samsung device. So to enable 120Hz refresh rate on your Samsung, this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your settings. Once you click on settings, you will now need to select display. Once you select display, as you can see around the middle of the screen there is an option now for motion smoothness. So if you click on motion smoothness, what that will do is it will bring you to this page here, and then as you can see, adjust your screen's refresh rate. So it might be on standard once you get it out of the box on default. So it could be on standard, and if you want the 120Hz refresh rate, you can simply click on adaptive. Once you click on adaptive, that will mean that the 120Hz refresh rate is now enabled on your device, guys. And then all you need to do then is simply click on the apply button, and that will mean that it has now been saved. So it's just that simple to enable 120Hz, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.